We recently had to take our old rudder off and have it rebuilt. So this is still the same rudder. Water had gotten inside and it froze and broke up the foam and the fiberglass from the inside. So we had the yard take it down, take it to their shop, fix it. We had to have them fix it a second time because they didn't do it right the first time, but now it's all fixed and then put back in. The basically the shape for airfoil, you want a nice, both sides symmetrical, but after the freezing and after they fixed it the first time, it was more like this, which would not flow nicely through the water. Put back on. So here's all the brass parts. And the train's coming on and pick us up.
So tell me about what's up inside.
There is a bearing up above. It's actually in the deck of the bed. At berth. Or hydraulic.
Oh, it's hydraulic, so you got a rudder arm.
Yeah, it's a rudder arm.
Yeah, right. So like this razor blade is now useless. Yeah, it's like, this stuff is so hard on blades. I've had to do it where like I did a 1/2 inch thick packing. I had to use a razor blade for each cut. Just totally wore it out each time. Normally what you do is up there, you got this still, on the shaft and all. So, you're sliding it down and then you pack it on and then you get the thread started and use the threads to push it up.
There's no place to do that.
No.
There's not enough room up in there for all that, which is probably why they use the smaller stuff. So this is another trick that helps with the, if you ever have to do it on your propeller shaft in the water.
Compacting it.
Yeah, you just sort of flatten it a little bit. Just got to make sure you do it in the right direction.
Yeah.
All right.
No, haven't made any progress.
Right on. Good job. All right, hopefully that'll make life a little bit easier when you get up there. All right. Now you're gonna bring the boat down to it. And you can see me, right?
Should be.
All I'm gonna do is get the first inch of it in there and then you're cutting it off.
Ready to cut the windows out? Hope they fit. window to put in. Number 3 is right here. First we have some black Sikaflex sealant. You don't want to get this stuff on you.
There was only one man for the job. For more awesome content, like and subscribe now.